The weather is not great. Oh, who left you here, baby? A little furry thing like you doesn't belong on the street. Wow, you are so cute. Want to be friends? Hang in there, buddy. I'll warm you up. But Alice isn't the only one who got a furry friend today. Barbara and Holly found some adorable creatures, too. Who could leave these cuties all alone? But this house isn't good enough for animals. We have a lot to think about. We can't waste any time. Let's get started. Let's take everything else out of the room. Now it's not a living room. It's an animal shelter. And there's always food for the pets. Something for everyone. Come and get it. The main wall looks great now. Oops, but there isn't much room. The pets will be cramped in here. All right, we're moving the couch. Come on, Polly. Setting up an animal shelter isn't easy. Should we take a break? Girls, stay away. There's still so much to do. Our babies don't even have beds. Are you ready to do some work? You can make a bed for a rat out of a soft slipper. Let's cut off the back. Glue the name tag to the slipper. You can make a cat bed out of a wooden box, but safety first. You'll have to work to make sure the wood is perfectly smooth. It also has to be soft. Let's take an old t-shirt and stuff it. Put the finished pillow in a box. You can never have too much softness. Any cat will tell you that. We'll also need a blanket. This is like a queen's bed. And next up is a crib for the adorable doggie. Let's make it out of old jeans. Seal the pant legs and put synthetic stuffing inside. Almost done. Now tie the belt and the pant legs. That's soft. Minnie will love it. What can we eat? How about an omelet? Oh no, we're out of eggs. I do have an idea though. Let's take the rat food and the egg carton. Cut a square out of the carton. And now the most important thing, the rat food. Pour it into the box. Are you hungry, Cupcake? Dinner is ready. Enjoy. What's better than delicious and healthy yogurt? The empty bottle will make a great drinking bowl for Jackie. Let's start with a package like this. Cut it up. Put the empty yogurt bottle on top. It looks impressive. Great job, Alice. Let's make a small hole in the cap and put it on the bottle. To get water, you just have to press on the bottle. That's so smart. Jackie, come have some water. The kitty seems to appreciate the owner's idea. And let's make a feeder from the other part of the box. We can't throw it away, right? Pour the food and it's ready. The perfect cat set. Minnie is the only one without a feeder, but Polly's going to fix that now. She just needs to finish her yogurt, but Minnie won't just abandon her owner. There will be water in one cup and food in the other. Don't forget to mark the feeders, so there's no confusion. Hey! Here's your dinner, Minnie. Enjoy your meal. Cupcake wants his toy. String colorful beads on the thread and tie a knot at the end. Let's make a few pieces like this and put them together. Glue the wooden stick. Now we need feathers. Attach them to the handle. Wow! So bright and fluffy. Just what Cupcake ordered. You like that, buddy? If rats could talk, Cupcake would definitely say thanks. Minnie is bored too. Let's make a toy out of a string and a soft ball. It's easy. Tie string around the ball and then twist the ends of the rope into a tight bundle. Make sure to leave a loop on top. The toy is ready. Nice and easy. Minnie, wanna play? Obviously, she wants to. Playing with a toy like this is so much fun. What will Jackie play with? Alice already has an awesome idea. We are going to need an empty bottle. Let's use the tip of the hot glue gun to make holes. Fill the bottle with beads. Now the toy will rattle. Now glue colorful strings to the cap.
Whoa!
It's a work of art. Meow. And for the toy to get Jackie's attention, let's put some food inside. Alice aced that.
Yes!
Hey there, Jackie. Where are you? This toy will be the kitty's favorite. There's no doubt about it.
Oh, wow!
How could Barbara have forgotten about an outfit for Cupcake? She's going to become a rap fashion designer. And she'll use what she can find. A tulle ribbon and a hair tie. Cut the edge of the ribbon like this. And glue it to the hair tie. Cupcake looks beautiful. We could send him to a rap beauty pageant right now. And he'll win. Let's use some old socks to create Minnie's outfit. Cut off the elastic bands. We'll need 2 of these pieces. Cut them lengthwise. Now we have 4 pieces of fabric. So each one like this.
Yes!
Pretty soon, we got cute socks. Minnie, come try them on. It looks good on you. You are a real fashionista. And now you'll never be cold. It's getting cold in the shelter. That's not okay. Jackie might freeze. The cat needs a sweater. Let's make one. Cut the sleeve off an old sweater. And make holes in it for the legs. All that's left is to sew on sleeves. It's hard. And now, let's put the new outfit on the pet. Now you won't freeze, sweetie. Mommy took care of you. And for our next idea, we'll need cardboard, a pencil, and a marker. Let's sketch a ballerina in a tutu and cut out a hole for the face. Who wants to be a ballerina? Or maybe a superhero?
Yes.
Or an astronaut?
Yeah.
Alice will make your dreams come true. And now it's time for the photo shoot. Minnie, are you ready? Smile! Jackie, smile too. I'm taking pictures.
Hey.
How about a picture together? Say, cat dog! And who said that cats and dogs don't get along? We will put our favorite pets' pictures on this wall. Isn't that cute? Our furry pets make great models. The pets are so happy in here. Pretty recently, they were living on the street, and now they are warm and comfy. The girls did their best. This is adorable. But shh, don't make noise. It's bedtime for the pets. Girls, shouldn't we get some rest too? It's been a great day. Did you like our new video? Do you have pets? Tell us about them in the comments. Give us a like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Troom Select so you can see all our other amazing videos.